In this video, we're going to go over creating a new post. To get started creating your first post, you're going to want to hit up here to your admin bar, and you can either hit the plus new or add new and click on post, or we can head over here to our navigation and highlight post and click on add new. And from here you'll see the new block editor, and the very first thing you'll want to do is set a title for your new post. So we'll go ahead and start. Press enter. Now that we're done, we'll head down here to our second block where you can enter some text and start customizing your post. You have plenty of options here to add widgets, paragraphs, images, you name it. Let's go ahead and type in a quick sentence. And let's go ahead and format this, bold it, and play around with the options here. As you can see, there's plenty of tools that you can use. You can also edit this as HTML if that's something you're more comfortable with. If you're feeling a little nostalgic and aren't quite used to this new block editor and want to use the classic one, you have that option too. We'll head down here to a new block and we'll come down here, and I recently used it, so classic's already listed here, but if it's not up there, you could head down here to formatting, and from here you can click the classic editor, and this will open up your classic formatting tools that you may be used to. Let's type in some text. And play around with this. Let's align it to the center. If you're not happy with the placement of your content, you could always swap them around over here on the left with these arrows, and this will shift your blocks around. If we head up here to the top right hand corner, click down on menu, you have the option to switch completely over to a code editor or leave it as a visual editor, enter full screen mode, spotlight mode. Now we'll go ahead and click preview, take a look at our new post. Once we're happy with our new post, we can head back over to the editor and decide to publish. From here, you get the option to publish it immediately, add some tags, publish it at a later date, and get to choose who sees it. Once we figure that out, we're done, and we'll go ahead and update.